Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, we are looking at how to split audio tracks directly in VLC Media Player using the Advanced Controls feature. It is a very quick process, so let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player. Go up to the top left corner and click on the Media option, then select Open File and choose your audio track. Once your file is loaded, go back to the top menu and click on View. In the drop-down, look for the Advanced Controls option and click it. You will see a new row of buttons appear above your playback controls at the bottom of the screen. To split or extract a portion of your audio, click the Record button, which looks like a red circle, right when you want to start capturing. Let the audio play and click the Record button again when you want to stop. VLC automatically saves this recorded segment into your computer's music folder. If you open your File Explorer and navigate to your music folder, you will find the split audio track saved and ready to use. That is all it takes. You have successfully split an audio track using VLC. If you have found this ClearTask tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more professional guides. See you in the next one.